Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome everybody. I am so excited to share with you today budget-friendly finds from Woodpecker Crafts, of which I'm an affiliate. Woodpecker Craft is a small growing business that sells wood cutouts for ready-to-craft kits, plus a lot of other wood items for all your crafting needs at very reasonable rates. So I went searching on Woodpecker Crafts website and found these wooden trays, and my heart was happy, I must tell you. Woohoo! 3 large wooden trays for $20 plus shipping. Are you kidding me? So here I'm opening up my package. Wow, these are beautiful. Raw and unfinished, but definitely a good deal. This is the size of the smallest tray and the size of the second tray, and then the third tray. Now the possibilities are endless as to what you can do with these wooden trays, complete with handles. You can't ask for anything more than this. Now stay tuned to my channel to see how I'll be using these. Now my next hunt were these mini rolling pins at 61 cents each. So I went to Amazon just to see what they were selling for, and the same mini pins were a lot more. So of course I went back to Woodpecker Crafts and I ordered 10. It's me $6.99. Don't sleep on this, okay? Now if you are interested in purchasing these, there's a link in my description box that will take you directly to the website to place your order. I will earn a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. Now they recently launched what is called Sezzle, and what this is, it allows you to craft now and then pay later in 4 equal installments. At checkout you would select Sezzle and then you'll be approved and you're on your way. And if you would like to connect with me outside of YouTube, please see my link tree in my description box. And for more crafting inspiration, check this video or this playlist, and stay safe till my next upload. Bye.